Hello everyone, as you know, we are learning the explanation of a chapter that is A Truly Beautiful Mind, and this story runs around a scientist whose name is Einstein. Okay, Albert Einstein was born on 14th March 1879 in the German city of Ulm. We have read this. This is also we have taught. So para number 3 we will start the explanation. Amateur means here amateur doing something for personal enjoyment rather than as a profession. So headmaster once told his father that what Einstein chose a profession would not matter. Means here a teacher is giving a suggestion to the Einstein's father, and the suggestion was that he will never make a success at anything. Means we can say that the teacher of Einstein gave a prophecy for the Einstein that became total wrong. The prophet of the teacher. The teacher told to the father of Einstein that what kinds of action he wants to do. It doesn't matter, where he will never make a success at anything. Einstein began learning to play the violin at the age of 6 because his mother wanted him to. He later became a gifted amateur violinist, maintaining the skill throughout his life. Means here we can say that Einstein became a good player of violin. And this is a kind of suggestion to all the readers who are reading these lines. The reader of this, the writer of this story is giving a suggestion to all the readers that nobody can tell about the future. Each and every person can make his or her future. Okay, there is no destiny. But Albert Einstein was not a bad pupil. Means the pupil means not other people, but the teacher of Albert Einstein used to think about Einstein that he was a bad pupil. He went to high school in Munich, where Einstein's family had moved when he was 15 months old. When Einstein 15 months old, his family went to Munich and scored good marks in almost every subject. Einstein hated the school's regimentation and often clashed his teachers. At the age of 15, Einstein felt so stifled that he failed the school for good. The previous year, Albert's parents had moved to Milan and left their son to the relatives what were conditioned. For the Einstein, when Albert's parents had moved to Milan and their son with relatives, after prolonged discussion, Einstein got his wish to continue his education in German-speaking Switzerland, in a city which was more liberal than Munich. Okay, means here Switzerland is compared with Munich. Einstein was highly gifted in mathematics. Means he was most talented in mathematics and interested in physics. Not only he was gifted in mathematics, but he also used to like physics. And it is said that physics and math are the combination of each other. University in Zurich. But science was not the only thing that appealed to the dashing young man with the walrus mustache. Means here this is a figure of Einstein in 1900 at the age of 21. When Einstein was at the age of 21, the face you can look here, but when he became older, Einstein in 1955, means after 55 years when Einstein's hair and mustache you can watch. So let's start para number 7. And in para number 7 he also felt a special interest in a fellow student Mileva Merrick. There was a fellow student for Einstein and the name of female student Mileva Merrick, whom he found to be a clever creature. This young sub had come to Switzerland because the university in Zurich was one of the few in Europe where women could get degrees. Einstein saw in her an all against the Philistines, those people in his family and at the university with whom he was constantly at odds. The couple fell in love. Means here Einstein and Mileva Merrick falls in love for each other. Letters survive in which they put their affection into words. When they used to send letters to their parents, they merged the words filled with the love to each other. Mixing science with tenderness, wrote Einstein, how happy and proud I shall be where we both have brought our work on relativity to a victorious conclusion. Means here we can say that both couple Einstein and Mileva Merrick started to do a invention on the topic. The topic was relativity. In 1900, at the age of 21, Albert Einstein was a university graduate and unemployed. Means at the age of 21, Albert Einstein became a graduate, and after getting a degree, he was unemployed. He worked as a teaching assistant. When he was jobless, he started a job as a teaching assistant, gave private lessons, and finally secured a job in 1902 as a technical expert. Okay, so here from para number 8 tomorrow we will learn, and before para number 7 means till para number 7 we have discussed, and from para number 8 we will discuss tomorrow. Okay guys.